The solidification of Earth. About this video article. This article is being turned into a video article in 2023 and will be included in the 2015 flashback video article playlist for posterity. While the article could be rewritten to better communicate some of the points within, it is being created and included the way it was written, primarily to preserve it, and to convey the thought process I was going through at the time it was written, and, obviously, I had not come to the conclusions and realizations that I have now come to. The solidification of Earth. December 2, 2015. Understanding the heat generation within the crust of the Earth. Just as the Sun has a time dilation field or barrier, where beyond this threshold moving inward, the lack of dark energy results in time slowing and therefore matter's energy slowing. As time slows, matter slows, and therefore there is no longer the friction to generate the heat associated with the lava and the idea of a fully liquid molten mantle. Below the surface is a layer of heat and molten lava, but this layer is not consistent throughout Earth the way we would like to visualize as a complete layer covering the entire undersurface and down to specified thickness, where it is met by the iron core. This is not the case. What is occurring is after a specific depth, the lack of dark energy results in time slowing and therefore the movement of the matter within this time dilation field slows, and what would normally generate heat because of pressurization, does not. So just because the matter is under tremendous pressure, there is not the equivalent amount of dark energy or time associated with the same amount of matter, and therefore the matter does not heat. That's it. Less dark energy the closer you get to the core equals extra energy equals magnetic field. This is manifested by iron compressing and crystallizing into the crystal iron core. So, if there is not a consistent blanket of molten mantle enveloping the core, then what does Earth actually look like on the subsurface? Well, in theory, the Earth is a large solid crystallized iron core with a decay chain of elements on top, and because the Earth is not as large as, say, a star, the Earth does not have the energy to blast off the cool outer layer that accumulates atop its surface like a star does, and so the surface accumulates the decay chain of the matter and all the other materials that fall upon it. So, from the decay chain of matter you get granite and rocks and all the minerals that make up the elements we find here on Earth. But, just like the Sun, between this threshold of dark energy that is well below the surface, you do get an exact depth that is the hottest, and in many regards there is a molten blanket of matter/mantle at this level enveloping the entire subsurface, but it is not even, and above the continents and around large geological formations like mountain ranges, can be, non-existent. And therefore there is a way to travel deep into the Earth beyond the threshold and deep into the Earth. In this depth, time slows, matter is stable, and there is a possibility for a completely different world than the one we see on the surface. Life and luminescence highly probable. Orion Michael Guy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below, and if you like this type of content feel free to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Orion.